Animation of text appears. Text reads. Over 10,000 Iowa youth engage in AI-focused programming through 4-H, September 2024 through August 2025. Text continues. Preliminary outcomes show they made significant gains in digital literacy, critical thinking, and interest in STEM careers. Alexa Groff, Iowa 4-H STEM Education Specialist and National 4-H AI Specialist.
AI is the #1 workforce development skill, and we want our youth in Iowa and across the country to be beyond ready and be ready for those skills through AI.
Footage of 4-Hers using an AI music generation software.
Iowa 4-H is looking at how we can use AI, how we can implement it into STEM programming, how we can utilize it in animal science programming, and even leadership. We just want to be able to give the kids the opportunities to explore that and be ready for the future and where that technology is going to be, because it's such a fast pace right now that something that happened yesterday is already changing from today. Youth that are going to be joining us today, they're going to create their own music using AI and coding skills, but then also can we spot what is AI and what is not?
Henry Zoe, 4-H member.
Because AI is becoming increasingly more prevalent in society, I think as young people, it's our responsibility to have an understanding of AI so we can create the regulations and make sure that AI is being used safely and effectively.
Madeline Grothus, 4-H member.
I would love to learn more about how AI works, how it grows and how it develops, and how it can continue to help us in the future as it keeps developing.
Morgan Christensen, 4-H member.
I think the AI part of it was really fun. I think that we got to really learn kind of the baseline of AI and how to expand onto it, some of the fun things.
I love that 4-H has so many opportunities to talk to so many different people of all ages. You can really learn how to be a leader and a servant at the same time.
Srihori Kumarisan, 4-H member.
I think 4-H is a really good thing for collaborating with people, and also it's really good for competitions. They've helped me learn a lot, and I've had a lot of fun in those competitions as well.
Photos of Henry Zoe's AI gray leaf detection project.
The competitions like the National 4-H AI and Agriculture competition have given me opportunities to showcase my AI projects and gain inspiration from others, and also talk to people like Alexa at the State Science Fair as well to gain feedback.
Photos of other 4-H members participating in AI competitions.
AI will help me be beyond ready for my future.
Animation of text appears. The text reads. In the fall of 2025 National 4-H AI in Agricultural Challenge, Henry Zoe captured first place in the ages 16 through 18 division with this project, Degel's Automated Detection System for Gray Leaf Spot. Srihori Kumarisan, along with David Shee and Sayan Agarwal, earned second place with CropFlow. The text continues. These groundbreaking projects demonstrate how Iowa's youth are leveraging artificial intelligence to address pressing agricultural challenges. Animation of Iowa State University Extension and Outreach Wordmark. Text appears below. This institution is an equal opportunity provider. For the full non-discrimination statement or accommodation inquiries, go to www.extension.iastate.edu/legal.